Hola. I'm Dr. Robert Davis with Active Health Knee and Shoulder, and I am here with Francesca and Melina, our manual therapist here. And Francesca came in last week. She was suffering with knee pain and back pain, and she was actually having so much trouble with her knees that you were using a walker, correct? Last week?
Asistencia para caminar. Las semanas pasadas.
Venía en el walker,
See,
ahora no.
yeah, so I'm gonna let Melina basically translate what I'm saying. Hablas tú inglés? Poquito. Okay. So I'll ask the questions and then Melina can ask them of Francesca. So, Francesca, you came in last week with knee pain. Can you tell me a little bit about how you were suffering with the knee pain before you came in? Like a little bit of, tell me what was happening with your knees.
It's hurt me right bad when I come out here. Yo la sentía bien fea, bien dura, así no podía moverlas cuando yo vine para acá.
She could barely move her legs and her knees when
No
she
podía hacerlas así.
couldn't really bend them.
Right. And then you came in, did you go to other doctors?
No.
No other doctors, okay. And so you were using the walker for about how long? 4 years. Wow.
Almost 4 years.
So what did you experience when you came in the office here?
¿Qué sintió cuando vino a la oficina?
What changed?
¿Qué cambió? ¿Qué cambió después de que vino a visitar?
Oh, muchos
Oh,
mucho.
a lot.
A lot? So you had muy excelente, more better? That's great. So you're feeling comfortable now because I saw you walk in. The reason why I'm doing this is because the last time you came in here for the first time you were using a walker, and this time you walked right in the office, so that was nice.
No walker.
Yeah, so
I
you're,
live at home.
yeah, you've been walking around at home as well?
Live there, stay
Yeah,
there.
good. Okay, I'm very happy for you. Thank you for doing this for us. You're going to help other people because they'll see your progress and how well you did. Mucho gracias.
No, nada.
Gracias.
All right.